Suppose if you want to create a mathematical signal for summation with integral, you must remember this shortcut Alt 10763. So after opening Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, go to your keyboard and there you can see a number lock key. You must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. You can see on the Alt key on the left side of the space bar, you must press and hold this Alt key, and at the same time you must type here 10763. After typing 10763, you can release your finger from this Alt key, and you can see that this symbol we have created by this method. So if this video helps you for more videos, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Well Online. Thank you.